Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Jake Duries. Today we're continuing with the trend of cooler than average temperatures. We're looking at daytime highs hovering in the upper 30s, lower 40s today. A bit of an improvement from what we have seen in the past couple of weeks, but still just a bit cooler than what we want here now that we're in spring. If we continue on here, winds are not too impactful today. This morning we're already starting to see gusts out of the west in the mid-teens, nothing too crazy. Later this afternoon, wind gusts across the board could be nearing 30 miles per hour, so a bit breezy, but nothing too crazy. Shouldn't be impacting our wind chills too much. We could see by the time we reach this afternoon wind chills in the mid to upper 30s, so nothing too crazy. Still a bit chilled, so make sure when you're heading out the door at any point today, make sure you're bundling up. Taking a look at our satellite and radar, also not much to report here today. We do see this morning some partly cloudy skies. As we continue on, we'll see an increase in cloud cover for the first half of the day, with more partly cloudy skies coming this afternoon. A lot of that precipitation you're seeing here in the northern part of the state, that should be missing our neighborhoods. All of us should be staying dry today, as well as tomorrow, as we're going to be dealing with a very similar situation ahead of the rain showers that are crossing over Lake Michigan. Those should be dissipating by the time they arrive inland in the state of Michigan. If we actually track our temperatures here, we're going to be sticking with this cooler than average air here heading into Tuesday today, even tomorrow, Wednesday. You could see that cold air influence, but we will have an area of low pressure later this weekend into the weekend that's going to be helping us warm up a bit, especially this weekend, but it's going to be bringing showers and even the potential for a thunderstorm. Here it comes moving into the state of Michigan this Sunday evening. The area of low pressure actually is going to be centered right on our neighborhoods. Again, driving showers and possible storms. Once that passes us, we'll be cooling off again by the time we start next week. It's a bit early, but we can take a look here at our satellite and radar for all the way this weekend at 6 p.m. Showers arriving, continuing on into Sunday evening. That's when the center of that low pressure is going to be over all of our neighborhoods. And on the back end of it, we could see some mixing into some snowflakes still heading into Monday afternoon. Again, it's still a bit early. We could be still seeing some changes, so we're going to be watching it very carefully. We have other opportunities for the return of rain later this week as well before we reach the weekend. But this is some good news here. Looking at the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook, this is for April 1st through April 7th. So that first week of April, the entire lower peninsula here, we are favoring warmer than average temperatures. Does this actually mean the start of spring? Well, we'll have to wait and see, but that is some good news for those of you that are ready for the warmer temperatures to return. Lower 40s today and tomorrow. Tomorrow with some opportunity to see the sun. That should be nice. Overnight lows, though, are still below freezing in the upper 20s. Still staying dry on Thursday, but temperatures start to rise back into the mid-50s Friday. Sticking in the mid-50s with our next best shot at rain showers moving, and we're looking at a chance of showers this weekend. We'll continue that as well with some opportunity as well on Sunday for some thunderstorms. We'll watch it carefully. High temps in the lower 60s.